So in Hyderabad International School, we will train to all our girls for their self-defense. Let us see how the students have prepared themselves. To present the technique of safeguarding, here on stage we have the students of 4th and 5th to showcase their superpowers. Please welcome them with huge round of applause, audience. They are the Super Girls of Hyderabad International School. First, there will be a basic exercise by the students of grade 4th and 5. Here on stage we have Naba, Rumesa, Zoha, Zahira, Tahura, Huda, Maha, Madiha and Tasmia. Let us see what are the basic exercises they are going to show to us.
Attention. Bow. Ready? Now start. Exercise start. Stop, change. 2. Stop, one hand up and down. Stop. Put your hands here and up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, rotate. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Stop, touch. Touch the ground. Up, touch, up, touch.
Mashallah, that
Up.
called as superpower of our girls
Left
of
leg.
Hyderabad International School.
Left पैर बड़ा कर दो. Left leg. Left leg. Right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Bend करो उधर. 1, 2.
Wow, that
3.
was really wonderful. Please give a huge
4.
round of applause, audience.
5, 6. Attention. Right hand up. Give the sound. 1.
Wow, welcome
2.
girls. Please give a huge round of applause,
3.
audience.
4, 5. Change your leg. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Attention. Bow. Move the place. Picture.
Now next, the students of 6th and 7th are going to show katas.
First.
The katas is the basic steps of fight in karate, and it helps in body coordination, and it is like a mind exercise for them. So first we have Rumana on stage.
Girls, ready? Kata name. Very good girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap. 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Wow,
17.
please give a huge round of applause, audience.
18, 19, 20. Up. Now the next.
Next we have Simra and Amina.
Amina, move. Ready? Attention. Bow. Kadanim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mashallah, very well coordinated, audience. Please give a huge round of applause
9,
for this power pack
10,
performance.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Up. They are showing the katas meaning. Come. Self-defense.
Now, if someone is holding
stop.
you from shoulder, from the back, अगर कोई आपको पीछे से पकड़ लेता है, तो देखते हैं कि किस टेक्निक से आप अपना पीछा छुड़ा सकते हैं. Simra and Amina are going to show that.
Go.
Wow, very well
more
done.
time.
Please give a huge round of applause, audience.
Good.
Very well done, students.
Someone catch the hand. दो हाथ से एक साथ अगर कोई पकड़ लिया आपको तो. अब
Wow, that
immediately
was the nice trick. Wow, very well done.
the next
Next we have Amtul Noor, Sidra and Sakshi.
move. थोड़ा पीछे हटो. पीछे हटो. सीधा स्टे हियर. आप लोग पीछे से हटो. उधर मूव दे. रेडी. Kada name. Good. Start.
Wow, very well coordinated, girls. Please give a huge round of applause, audience, for the super girls of Hyderabad International School.
Good. Nice. Self defense.
Now,
Stop.
if someone is attacking you from front with knife, अगर आपको सामने से कोई अगर चाकू बताता है तो किस तरह बचना चाहिए? Let us see the trick.
Good.
Wow, very well done, girls. That was a nice trick that everyone must learn.
One more time.
Wow, very well done. Don't you think our students can handle any of the
Farheen.
situation? Next we have Farheen.
Benches se mano. Attention. Bo. Kata name. Clap. Very good girl. Start. Good girl. Very good.
Wow, very well done. Wow.
Very good.
These are some basic moves of the fight which needs to be practiced.
Pyramid. Pyramid.
Next we have in self-defense, if someone is holding you from the back, let us see how to get ourselves released. Let us see the trick. Wow, that was wonderful. Please give a huge round of applause, audience.
One more time.
Once again. If someone is holding you tightly from the back. Wow, very well done. Next, we are having tiles breaking by these students
इससे पहले मैम
with their
pyramid.
elbow, head and fist.
Pyramid कर लेंगे पहले.
So now the students are going to make a pyramid. First, the base will be by Amtul Noor, Rumana and Sakshi. They will be coming in forming the base of the pyramid. Next we have Sidra and Simra on top of them. And finally, Farheen is going to climb on them with flag. Wow, very well done. Please give a huge round of applause, audience. Don't our girls have enough power to face any kind of situation and challenge? Very well done, girls. Next we have tiles breaking with one move. Let us see whether they will be able to do it or not. First, I would like to call 4th class girls. You have to break the tile at the count of 3. Take your position. I can see some girls are going to break by elbow, some are going to break by head, and some by fist. Let us see. When I will say 1, this first girl should start breaking the tile. 1. Wow, very well done. MashaAllah, very well done, girls. You can come back to your positions. Let us call next class girls. Let us see by which technique they are going to use to break the tiles and whether they will be able to do it or not. Wait. At the count of 3, 2. They are very much eager to fight back. That's the good spirit. Let us call another girls. Let us see will they be able to do it or not. At the count of 3, 2, 1, break. Wow, that was wonderful. Next. One by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, very well done. Thank you so much. Please give a huge round of applause, audience, for this scintillating and power-packed performance. So that was the super girls of our Hyderabad International School. They have been trained enough to face any kind of difficulties and situations in their life. Thank you so much, girls. Now it's the time for award ceremony of PP, that is grade 1, 2 and 3. One more self-defense we are having. If someone is close. Rumana and Sidra wants to show one more technique of self-defense. Wow, very well done, girls. That was awesome. Let us see. One more time. Can you show? Rumana and Simra. If someone is holding your neck. Wow, that was wonderful. Now let us see if someone is tying your hand with the rope. Let's see how to untie it and how to get rid of it, how to face this situation. Wow, that was wonderful. Tahura and Sidra is going to show one more trick when someone will show the chocolates to the students to kidnap them. Let us see what they can do it. Let us see how she is going to. The student have to beat tightly on this area so that जो kidnap कर रहा है उनको दिन में तारे नजर आ जाने चाहिए. So next turn that side. No, start. Wow, that was wonderful. Please give a huge round of applause.
Once more this thing. Once more.
Once more. I request the parents to please take back your children from the stage. Cameraman is continuously complaining us. He is unable to record the photos and videos properly. अगर photos and videos अच्छे से record नहीं कर सकेंगे तो आपके बच्चों का performance अच्छे से upload नहीं हो पाएगा. So it's a kind and humble request to please take back to your children, those who are standing near to the stage. Yes, come on Farheen, once again. Wow, very well done. Wow, please give a huge round of applause, audience. Now I would like to call our President and Chairman, Mr. Mohammad Farooq sir, and Janab Abdul Khader Sahab, Ismail sir, to come on stage for the award ceremony of grade 1 to 3. Please welcome with huge round of applause, audience. So the first award was Student of the Year. Who is going to get Student of the Year for the academic year of 2019 to 2020? And the award goes to, the award of Student of the Year 2019 to 2020 goes to Afifa Ahmed of grade 3. Please give a huge round of applause, audience, for Afifa. Congratulations, Afifa. Next we have Punctual Student of the Year. And the award goes to Basharat of grade 1. Congratulations, Basharat. He is the Punctual Student of the Year. Next we have Disciplined Student of the Year 2019 to 2020. And the award goes to Madiha Bushra of grade 3. Congratulations, Madiha. Madiha Bushra got Best in English Award. Halima is the Disciplined Student of the Year for grade 2B. Best in Reading Award goes to Sadaf Fatima of grade 2A for the academic year 2019 to 2020. Congratulations. Best in Quran. The award goes to Safan of grade 2. He is Best in Quran. Next, we have Best in Hamdanath for the academic year 2019 to 2020. And the award goes to Mehboob Fahad of grade 3. Congratulations, students. We have some awards for high school girls as well. Punctual Student of the Year in High School goes to Simra Fatima of grade 6A. Next, Disciplined Student of the Year in High School. Disciplined Student of the Year in High School Girls goes to Madiha of grade 5A. Congratulations, Madiha. Next, we have Best in English for the academic year 2019 to 2020. And the award goes to Amtul Noor of grade 7th. Congratulations, Amtul Noor. Our students are not only they are not only perfect in academics, they are perfect in overall development. Congratulations to you, girls.
Start. You say, Baba. Start. Wait. Yeah. No, Baba.